what's happening, guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, I'm going to take you guys out here to the Pacific Ocean. I want to show you guys something that I noticed on the Gemini cloud cam that sits atop Mauna Kea. And I noticed a couple of weeks ago, it picked up a huge beam of light that spanned across the western Pacific Ocean. The camera is positioned up here atop Mauna Kea, looking to the south, and you're going to see a mysterious beam of light that appears out of nowhere well after the sunset. Really cool video footage that you'll definitely want to stick around for. Quick update on Mauna Loa, the largest active volcano on planet Earth. Looking at the earthquake situation at the summit, this map here at the USGS is showing 355 earthquakes near the summit of Mauna Loa in the last 7 days. Also visible from the Gemini cloud cam atop Mauna Kea looking south, Mauna Loa appears in the field of view. And this is when the volcano began erupting on the 28th. And it just entered the field of view of the camera, and you can see lava flow and, of course, the steam and the sky, of course, filling up with the vapors from the erupting volcano. And that bright light is lava that's moving around near the summit of Mauna Loa. And in some cases, it's starting to come down the side of Mauna Loa, slowly but surely. Once again, this view is from Mauna Kea, the Gemini Observatory, looking towards the south. And the camera also picked up something highly unusual that I want to share with you guys here in just a moment. But first, over here at the homepage of the website, today's feature photo was sent in by Kendrew out of East Cape, South Africa, of a towering double-decker rainbow. Great photo, Kendrew. Thanks for sharing. Checking in on the Schumann resonance, you can see more activity today in the last 24 hours than there has been in the last 48 hours. So activity picking up in the Schumann, but not the case over here at the Planetary K-Index. The Planetary K-Index is influenced by solar activity, and right now, the last 72 hours shows no, at least major activity of any kind in the Planetary K-Index. Coming over here to poweroutage.us, the only state right now dealing with power outages, at least on a large scale, is North Carolina. And all of those power outages are primarily from the same county you see right here, highlighted in red. 41,854 customers. And from what I understand, these are not weather related. You can see a weather system traveling from basically coast to coast, west to east across the lower half of the United States. And that has brought rain to Arizona, at least most of Arizona, for the last 24 hours. But this system, as you can see, spanning all the way across the country, does not contain a wind component. And typically, whenever we see power outages like this, it will involve multiple counties, as the weather usually stretches more than just one county. And in this case here, one county contains 99% of all of the power outages that North Carolina is dealing with. And from what I've read, these outages are of unknown origins. They're trying to figure out what happened and what exactly caused all of those power outages in North Carolina. Right now, it is a mystery. I want to take you guys now back out to the big island of Hawaii. We're going to go up here to the top, the peak of Mauna Kea, and we're going to be looking in the southern sky. And you're going to see something mysterious appear in the field of view. Something shows up in the sky well after sunset. Something big. Here we go. This is a slideshow I put together of the night of the 14th, 15th, and 16th. And we're right up here on top of Mauna Kea looking south, and you're going to see something enter the field of view over here on the right. This is the night of November 15th. Let me pause it real quick. Mauna Loa is right over here. This is where the volcanic activity is at that you saw earlier. This is looking south, and this is the night of the 15th. Obviously, the west is over here, east is over here. Watch over here in the west. You're going to see a big beam of light just appear out of nowhere, span across the field of view right about here. See that? Big orange glow of light just kind of spans across the sky, and it appears to be kind of sweeping across the sky. And it lasted, believe it or not, for 10 minutes. It didn't just appear real quick and disappear. That lasted for 10 minutes. Here's another look, and this is an enhanced view of the light. And again, it lasted for 10 minutes. It wasn't like it just flashed on and off. It wasn't like it just flickered. This was some sort of a weird light, again, well after sunset. It almost looked like the sun was getting ready to rise again. Here's the same segment enhanced, just the beam itself. Look at that. Clearly something showed up in the field of view there that was quite large. Now here's the night before on the 14th to show that it didn't happen on the 14th, and this is the same time frame. Well after sunset, you can clearly see it's dark out. Nothing happened on the 14th. We're going to look at the 15th again, and you're going to see that orange beam of light. This is the west over here on the right. There's the beam of light on the 15th, calling it a big orange glow, basically. And here's the following night on November the 16th. And nothing happened. This is the same time frame, well after sunset. This is between 20 and 2300 hours. That's between 8 and 11. And nothing happened on the 16th, and nothing happened on the 14th. And here's the beam of light in slow motion, just to show you guys how long it lasted. I put a clock over here in the lower left-hand side. And as you'll see, if you watch the clock over here, you'll see the beam appear at 23 right there, and it lingers around until 33 and disappears. So it lasts for about 10 minutes. Here's another view. This one is obviously enhanced. Here's another view, slightly enhanced, and you can see the beam kind of appear to sweep across the western Pacific. Here it is again. Get a load of that. Almost looks like some sort of maybe an aurora. Almost looks like the sun was getting ready to rise. But keep in mind, this was around 10:30 at night. So this was nowhere near sunrise, and the sun had set many hours before. So bizarre capture from the Gemini Skycam right out here atop Mauna Kea on the big island of Hawaii. Thanks for the photos, guys. Keep them coming. If you have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. If you have any videos you'd like to share that won't attach to the email for whatever reason, come over here to the homepage of the website. Look for this red tab that says Have a Large Video. Click on that red tab, drag and drop your video into the red tab. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.